In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to integrate PayPal into your course platform. Now, before you do anything else, make sure PayPal actually works in your country. Sounds obvious, I know, but it's an easy step to miss. All right, so first things first, head over to your admin panel. Here you'd click on Integrations and scroll down until you see PayPal. Once you're there, you'll land on the setup screen. Next, you'll need to upgrade your PayPal account to a business account. A personal account won't cut it here. Why? Because you'll need a merchant ID, and that only comes with a business account. Once you've upgraded, the next step is to grab your merchant ID. There's a link right there that'll take you to your PayPal dashboard. Click it, find your merchant ID, and copy it. Now go back to your course platform, enter your email address and merchant ID into the boxes, and then hit Activate. Once that's done, go over to your courses page and preview one of your courses. You should now see the PayPal option right on your sales page. So whenever students click on PayPal, they'll get two choices. Either log into their PayPal account or pay directly with a credit or debit card. Super straightforward. Oh, and one quick heads up, PayPal doesn't support subscription payments on this platform. So it's strictly for one-time payments only. All right, let's do a quick recap. Make sure PayPal works in your country. Upgrade to a business account. Grab your merchant ID. Plug in your details and activate PayPal. And you're good to go. Thanks for watching and have fun creating your courses.